Hi ladies, I am the owner of She Rose Cosmetics. My name is Jada Cherie, and today we are going to be learning how to make high quality lip glosses. So stay tuned. I have things in front of me that you're going to need, and right now we're just going to list them all. To me, I use paper plates. Paper bowls are fine, paper spoons, paper forks, anything is really fine. Just make sure that you don't really use any glass materials. Like at first I was using glass bowls or like containers, but to me that's not really the sanitary option. To me, you could just use things that you could toss away and use new. So what you're going to need is plastic spoons, plastic plates, then you're going to need pipettes. These are found on Amazon. And then we're going to use the TKD Trading lip gloss base. This is called Versagel, and here you can see like the gel. This is the base that we're going to be using. Without this, you cannot make the lip gloss unless you find another route that I don't know of. And then I just have a couple of oils that I use. These are castor oil. This is really good. I hope this for the shine and for the texture of my lip glosses. This right here is coconut oil, organic coconut oil, and make sure that you get this refined. Don't just melt coconut oil and then put it in your glosses. Make sure it is already in liquid form. And then sometimes I use almond oil. It depends on the customer because most of the people have like nut allergies and things like that. So I really try to hold back on the almond oil unless it's suggested and when they order. And then a good oil to use, it's like vitamin E. There's so many oils that you can use, ladies. Make sure to do your research before putting any of the oils into your lip glosses. And if a customer wants something, I would recommend putting it in the gloss. So if they have an oil that they want to recommend for you, go ahead and put it in there. And these oils are they're pricey. Like maybe this one was probably like $18. This was probably like $9. And I know I got a small bottle because it was probably expensive, but hey, if I need it, I need it. And then what you're going to need is syringes. You're going to want to make sure that it is the 60 milliliter syringes. And then you want to get your flavoring oils. You can get these from Amazon, get these from TKD Trading, get these from any website. Just type in flavoring oils. Boom, there it is. Then you want to use your mica. This one is a very popular mica that I've seen a lot of lip gloss babes try with their business, and this is just the regular silver glitter gloss mica. So that's what we're going to be using today. I'm going to be showing you how to make a glitter gloss and a clear gloss and the tips that I use to make these certain kinds of glosses. So stay tuned, ladies. All right, so what you want to do to first get started is make sure that you have your gloves, because you are, doing things for other people. If it was myself, I probably wouldn't be using gloves if I was like doing it for personal uses. But since you're dealing with other people, it is good to be sanitary. Wash your hands before putting on your gloves, and then go ahead and put on your gloves. And then you want to take your syringes. This is actually the last kind of step that I do, but you want to take your syringe, open it up. This is how it looks. It has the tip. All right, so my camera ended up dying on me, but I already went ahead and made the holographic glitter gloss, and this is what it looks like here. All I added in this gloss was the coconut oil, castor oil, and the almond oil, and then I added strawberry flavoring. But really, it really depends on what you want to do, how you want your glosses to feel, and personal preferences, and also what your customer wants. So this is just all that I added to the to the lip gloss mixture. And then, yeah, so let's go ahead and tube the glosses. And I also forgot to say that I got my lip gloss tubes from Amazon, not the ones that I personally use, but these are the ones that I use with the wholesale orders. And this is also the gloss tubes that I started off with. And they're just these smaller tubes, very convenient. So if you're looking for, like a cheap, good lip gloss tube, it works just the same as any other tube, then this is what you need, especially to start off with. Perfect. What we're going to do is just pop this open, I like to stand this up so it could be, you know, off of everything. And then what you want to do is just grab this and put it into the syringe like this. So this is why I use the back of the utensil, because it's a good scooping method and stirring method. You just want to grab your tube and then put it in there.
ZC on the track, boy.
And then you have room now for one whole gloss.
ZC on the track, boy. ZC on the track, boy. ZC on the track, boy. ZC on the track, boy.
Glosses that I've made already. Glosses that were made. This one was the mint clear gloss, and this one was the holographic glitter gloss here. And this one I made a thicker formula because it is glitter. I didn't want it to be too slippery, because when it's too slippery, the glitter isn't as noticeable as it should be. So here you have your thicker gloss. That's why it clumped the way it did. So you have to make sure with your glitter glosses that it piles on the lips enough to where you can see it, and it's just not just glitter here, glitter there, glitter here. It's actually a glitter lip. So that's why I put more of the castor oil and almond oil in this one, and only coconut oil in this one, so you can get that nice shiny look, clean, sheer, clear gloss. So that is the difference between these two. And obviously I have a different method for the way that I do my personal glosses that I have on my website for my She Rose babes. So I do a different method when it comes to my cotton candy glosses or my peach ring glosses, slime season, all of that I do a little bit differently. But these are just the basic ways that you can make your lip glosses, and I hope that this was very helpful and you picked up a couple of tips. So if you have any more questions, you can put it in the comments down below, or you can slide in my DMs at She Rose Cosmetics on Instagram. And yeah, this is how you just make the the sheer clear mint gloss, and this is the holographic glitter gloss. Have a nice day.